All right, so we are done. Well, we're done with the NixOS install part. So now we're on to the actual final step here. I just realized I'm branded the correct way as well. So we're just gonna check off the restart now and then hit done. Now this is gonna reboot the computer, and then once it turns off, unplug your USB drive so you don't boot back to that again. And you can wait until the Dell logo comes up, or you can usually tell when it's completely shut down, when it the screen goes black and everything. So let's see. Pop into here. Hopefully this starts up. Cool. So yeah, you didn't see it didn't load up right in time, but when you booted it up, it'll actually say NixOS, and you just press enter. Or if you just don't press anything, it'll boot you right into it as well. Okay, so here's your new computer. Just kidding. This is just the little setup here. So this is, remember we chose no desktop. Basically, this is just a bare install, and then I have a script that will go ahead and set everything up for you. So here's the little bit of typing. Remember I told you there's a little bit of typing, and then you'll be home free. This is it. So just log in with your username that you set up. For me, I just did user and then user. So voila, there we are. Then I'm going to type, the first thing we need to do is connect to the internet again. So I'm going to type nmtui. And again, I'll put these commands, I'll actually put these commands in the notes of this video so you can just have reference to it. But nmtui, press enter, and it'll bring you to something like this. And you just go activate a connection, and then you choose your Wi-Fi. And then you just wait until you see the little star next to it. Should say connected, voila. And then just hit escape. And escape. And, okay, you don't see it, but on the bottom, I'm just going to type clear. So in the terminal here, if you ever, if you have, I don't know, if you just have stuff that you want to clear here, you can literally type the word clear, and it clears it for you. Okay, so cool. Now we're connected to the internet, and it's time to go ahead and load up Nixbook. So the only tool that we're going to need here is a tool called Git. So I'm going to type nix-shell space -p. So what this is going to do is it's going to pull something in for us, and then Git, G-I-T. And you should see it'll do some things. Voila, we're done. Okay, so now we want to do cd/etc. And again, I'm going to type all these commands for you. So voila, now we're here. Now this is the big one that we need to type. So this is going to be the biggest thing that you need to type, and then everything else should be really, really, really easy. Okay, so this is going to be sudo, S-U-D-O, git clone. And so what this is going to do is this is going to pull down the Nixbook configuration that I wrote. So we have a bare NixOS here, and then this is going to pull down the configuration that I wrote that sets everything up for you, and then we'll run that, and then you'll be home free. So sudo git clone https://github.com/mkellyxp. That's my username on GitHub, and then Nixbook. That's it, right? So just check it. Sudo git clone https github.com mkellyxp Nixbook. Right? And again, make sure you're in the /etc directory when you do this. That is important. So when you do that, it'll ask for your admin password, which again is whatever you set it to. And then that's it. We're done. So now we also want to do cd space and then Nixbook, right? Because we just downloaded that. So now let's go into it. cd/Nixbook. There we go. And I'm just going to type /, which means I'm going to run something, and then install.sh. So again, /install.sh, enter. I'm going to say, hey, you sure? Press Y. That's it. The whole thing's automatic from here. So I know you probably felt like a hacker there a little bit, typing in terminal commands. But yeah, it's the last time that you're going to have to do that. So this is just going to go ahead and do its thing. So I'm gonna pause this because again, literally, this will just run for depending on internet speed and computer speed, could be about like 5 minutes that this runs for. Um, and it will automatically reboot at the end too. So you can literally run that install.sh, and then you can go grab a coffee or do whatever you want. And when you come back, it will be all set up as a Nixbook. So I'm just gonna pause this real fast, and I'll unpause it when it's already set up and ready to go, and it'll look exactly like what I showed you in the first video. So very, very cool. All right, well, we're done. We went ahead and I just went and made a chocolate milk for my daughter, and it came back, and this had rebooted. For some reason, it's not. I think it's doing the screen sharing thing where it's extending it. But anyway, you'll see a thing that says like a login screen, and it has your user, whatever username you chose. You just type in your password, and voila, here you go. Again, here, let me change the screen mirroring. Display. You won't need to do this because you're not dealing with multiple layouts here, but let's do screen mirroring. Voila. All right, there we go. So that's it. As you see, you are all set up now. Oh, no, it didn't save it. Keep new. Okay, there we go. You're all set up now, and that's it. Everything works. You'll get full automatic updates forever. Everything works, right? It should remember your Wi-Fi password, but down here, this is where you choose your Wi-Fi. That's it. Printing is enabled as well. So like if you have a printer on your network at home, it should automatically see it. Yeah, I mean, everything. I even put a little like getting started PDF here as well. So yeah, I mean, everything. So you see here, I just do print, and then that's my printer here. So literally, a printer just set itself up by itself on Linux. It's amazing. Yeah, so that's a little guide to show you how to get through some stuff. And other than that, that's it, right? So you'll see Chrome, you'll see this is Office if you want to use that one. Yeah, you could browse through here all you want. This little icon here is installing software. So you can go ahead in there, and like I said, this is where you can. I already have Chrome, Zoom, and Office already installed. I just do that on all the machines. But again, if you need anything else, like I don't know, like I said, Spotify or Discord or whatever, it's real easy. And again, you just find it, click on it, and then click install. I'm not kidding. That's literally how easy it is. Yeah, so I know in Windows you're typically used to like going on the internet, finding the thing, and then downloading it and running it. I do think this is one of the big confusions for people moving from a Windows-based system to a Linux-based system. Linux has heavily relies on like package managers instead of just downloading rando stuff from the internet, which trust me is better. And so again, this is FlatHub. So remember in the first video or the first two videos, I had you go to flathub.org where you can actually look through what software is available, and that's here. This is the stuff. So yeah, I think the first Flatpak you install takes a little bit, but that's it. You're all set up. Let me know if you have any questions. This has been a passion project of mine, and it works really well.